Okay, welcome to the handle repair video. In this particular video I'm going to demonstrate how to create cork chips, how to make cork filler, and then we're going to repair a handle. So keep watching folks, it'd be interesting. Okay, in this clip I'm just going to demonstrate how to get cork shavings. That's essentially how it's done. You get an old fishing rod handle or an old cork from a wine bottle, and you get a file like this. Is called a rasping file, and it's specifically used for shaping soft objects, and that's what that's for. And we now got some cork dust, which we can now use for the repair. This is PVA glue. Okay, so here we are. What I'm going to do now is put some of the cork chippings into the PVA glue, and try and keep that in the camera. it's not playing ball though. There you go. So we'll mix this until we've got like what you might call a stotty paste. Like so. And you mix it thoroughly so that all the cork chippings in the mix are covered in glue. Okay. Okay, so now we've got our mix, and we've got a bit of a rod here that we're going to need to repair, because if you see here in the shot there, just here, there's a big hole. So what I'm going to do obviously is fill the hole with cork. When you repair a rod like this, you should leave the cork standing proud a little bit, and that's so that you can sand it smooth later on. Okay, and it does look a bit rough, but it's actually works very well. As the PVA dries, it shrinks, and it shrinks down and forms quite a tight surface. So there we have it. Going to tamp that with my finger. Okay, so there's one cork repair started. Okay, this is the next part of the cork repair video. So we've waited pretty much all night for the cork to set, and what we do now is we take a fairly sharp blade and pare away at the proud cork, which is standing above the surface. And I hope you can see that from the video. Obviously you need to do this flush with the surface. You don't really want to be cutting into the surface of the handle itself, and you can see that makes quite a close repair, and that's essentially how you do it. Once that's done, you can then take one of these, which is a sanding block, and sand it over. And once it's sanded over, the handle can now be cleaned. And there we have the final finished fly rod handle. I'll just show you we just go along it. That's where the repair is, just there. And it's all been nicely cleaned up. Okay, just to finish and wind up this cork repair video, so here you can see the handle repair now that the handle's been cleaned up with methylated spirit, and you can see just there that's where it was, and it's not half bad. You can't really see it that much, and it's taken out an unsightly gout which was in the handle. So that's how you repair cork fishing rod handles. Okay. This is Avian Fish signing off now. Thanks so much for watching. Look out for